social media to share an impassioned tribute to Gianni Versace, the legendary Italian fashion designer and mogul, on the anniversary of his death. The supermodel, 53, shared a slew of photographs of herself with the Versace founder spanning the years of their friendship, which began in the 90s when he spotlighted her as part of the supermodel Vogue movement. In her emotional message, she penned, "Gianni Versace, 26 years on, not a day goes by without you crossing my mind. I miss you. You will always be with me in my heart. #GIANNIVARSACA #FORAVAR #KING #legend." Fans flooded the post in response with comments like, "The two of you were and are iconic," and "He would be proud of you," as well as, "You're both so talented. I admire both of you." Gianni was killed at the age of 50 on July 15, 1997 by spree killer Andrew Cunanan, who shot him while he was on a walk and was returning to his South Beach, Miami home. His story has been portrayed several times in media, most notably in the second season of American Crime Story, subtitled The Assassination of Gianni Versace, which you can watch a clip from below.